Cocoa's hidden power, the sweet way to lower blood pressure. Here's a shocker. The very same cocoa that makes your chocolate bar delicious could also act like a natural blood pressure pill. Yes, what you see as candy might secretly be medicine, and scientists are only beginning to uncover how this sweet bean talks to your blood vessels in ways that even modern drugs struggle to do. If that already blows your mind, hit the like button and subscribe, because what you're about to hear could change the way you look at cocoa forever. Cocoa isn't just about taste. Hidden inside are powerful plant compounds called flavanols. These don't just hang around in your body, they signal your arteries to relax. Imagine your blood vessels unclenching like a tight fist suddenly opening. The result? Lower blood pressure, smoother blood flow, and less stress on your heart. Here's where it gets even stranger. Cocoa boosts nitric oxide, a natural chemical messenger that widens arteries. That's right. Every sip of pure cocoa is like giving your blood vessels permission to breathe again. And studies show people who regularly take dark cocoa, not sugary chocolate, but the real thing, often have better circulation, sharper memory, and stronger heart protection. It's like a pharmacy hidden inside a bean. But don't rush for candy bars. Sugar destroys the effect. The magic only works with raw or dark cocoa, at least 70%. So, could cocoa be the sweetest secret to lowering blood pressure naturally? Comment cocoa below if you want me to share simple ways to add it into your daily routine. And remember to subscribe, because the next video might reveal the everyday foods in your kitchen that act like hidden medicine.